Hello. Hey. Hi everyone. Good morning and welcome back. So guys, as part of the today's scenario, I just want to deal with how exactly we can enter a value into a text field character by character. Immediately, a quick question that comes in our mind. Surendra, we have a type text command. If at all we are giving a value to the type text command, it's entering a value. Then what is the point of using a character by character? Right. The answer for this one is personally in my project, I encountered an issue while using a type text command. Here is the scenario. So I need to create a user on a mobile browser and I need to log in into the mobile app using that particular user. Okay, so that's what my scenario is. Yeah, sorry. So in that situations, what's happening for me is whenever I'm creating an entry precisely on my web on a Safari browser, there is a form, right? So while I'm entering my mobile number, all the other fields are working properly only with respect to the mobile number, right? Whenever I was using a type text, out of my 10-digit phone number, sometime it's entering 10 digits, sometime it's entering 894, randomly it's entering, because of which my registration form is not completing, and because of which the further flow, the complete scenario is getting failed because of this particular text field. That's the issue I have faced. If there is an issue like this, in such cases itself you need to implement this particular approach. Definitely for every issue there should be a workaround. This is the workaround that I have identified and that was working in my project. That's the reason I'm just suggesting it for you. Okay, good. So now what exactly we need to do for this one is, as per the previous scenario, what we have a user like a text field, the similar keys command, okay, the delete operation that we have used where we used a keys command, right? The similar keys command, I wanna use it here. For now, comment this particular keys. Let me debug this particular program once. So I don't wanna, okay, let me stop it. I don't wanna enter this particular value at all. Okay, so let me debug this particular program. Okay, so I want to launch an app. I want to click on a text field and I want to click on that particular desired text field on which I want to perform the operations. See, let us see this execution. And it performed a tap operation on the text field. That's the reason the keypad is being populated. Now I am using pivot app dot keys. I was just using the keys. See, all the keys are being populated. Whichever the keys that I have, right, all the keys are being populated. Now, what I'm using is my requirement is to enter the number and the numbers are not here. I need to press on a 1, 2, 3. For the 1, 2, 3, the identifier they have a given is the numbers. So I'm using this identifier and I'm performing a tap. So if you perform a tap on the mobile, the numbers got a clicked. So here, copy this particular command and update your program. After that, my keypad is updated to numbers, right? So PO app.keys, and I noticed that every number does has its unique label. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is PO app.keys of 9 dot tap. I'm asking it to tap 9, so it entered a 9, and let me type a 6. It's performing a 6-2. So perfectly all right. So let me copy this line and let me update it here. Okay, 9, 6, and right now let me fill it. So 961. I was just entering my mobile number. Okay, 8, 8, 1. Okay, 961,881. And here 7, 771. Okay, so I just entered my mobile number here and I'm deleting the debug point here. So my program was created. I've just created my program. So it's launching the app, it's navigating to the text field, it's entering the mobile number, and then it's waiting for a few seconds and then it's terminating. Let me run the program and check it out whether really it's entering the mobile number into the text field or not. So See, basically, the number it's being entering into the text field. So this is the way how exactly you can deal with. And people may ask me a question, Surendra, is this a suggested approach? See, basically, whenever you encountered an issue, definitely there should be a workaround for that. So this is a workaround. This is not suggested, but we need to overcome that issue. This is the way how exactly you can deal with it. Okay, and yeah, that's the pretty much stuff that we have for this session. See you again in the next session, guys. Bye bye.